Which animal is known for having a horn on its nose?
Rhinoceros.
Where are your elbows located?
Arms.
What do you call a person who flies an airplane?
Pilot.
What do we call an animal that only eats plants?
Herbivore.
Which sensory organ helps us to feel textures?
Skin.
How does sugar taste?
Sweet.
Which is the capital city of Australia?
Canberra.
Which below number is lesser than 100?
$99.
What do plants release into the air that humans need?
Oxygen.
What do you use to see faraway objects?
Telescope.
Which natural phenomenon shows colors in the sky?
Rainbow.
Which word is a possessive pronoun?
Mine.
Which is the smallest natural number?
One.
Which sentence is a question?
Are you ready?
Which fruit is yellow and curved?
Banana.
What does a caterpillar turn into?
Butterfly.
What do we call the water that falls from the sky in the form of tiny drops?
Rain.
Which object helps you see yourself?
Mirror.
Which of the following is a type of public transport?
Train.
What is it called when water gets very hot, forms bubbles, and turns into steam?
Boiling.
50 plus 50 minus 100 equals?
Zero.
What is frozen water called?
Ice.
What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
What do birds build to live in?
Nest.
What is a group of people who are related to each other and stay together called?
Family.
Which sentence uses proper punctuation for excitement?
Watch out.
What is a baby frog called?
Tadpole.
What do you call the land between two mountains?
Valley.
What color are most ripe strawberries?
Red.
What is the young one of a goat called?
Kid.
What do we call a person who studies the past?
Historian.
Fill in the blank. I dash happy.
Am.
What food do pandas mostly eat?
Bamboo.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Which of the following is a common noun?
Tiger.
Which shape has 6 sides?
Hexagon.
Which is the only bird that can fly backward?
Hummingbird.
What is the name of the first man to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Which part of the plant grows into a new plant after germination?
Seed.
What is a group of lions called?
Pride.
Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body?
Heart.
Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes?
Zebra.
What is 4 times 3?
$12.
Which one of these is a type of bird?
Sparrow.
How many years are there in a century?
$100.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Which is not a preposition?
An.
What is half of 20?
$10.
What do we call words that sound the same but have different meanings?
Homophones.
Which food is made from milk?
Cheese.
Which word is a common noun in The Teacher Reads Harry Potter?
Teacher.
Which animal lives in water and has scales?
Fish.
What is the plural of mouse?
Mice.
Which bird lays its eggs in the nests of other birds?
Cuckoo.
What do fish use to breathe?
Gills.
Which planet has rings around it?
Saturn.
Which is not a vowel?
Y.
What do we call the white, fluffy objects in the sky?
Clouds.
What do we call baby dogs?
Puppies.
Which of the following is a grain?
Rice.
Babies are born with around how many bones?
300.
Which bird is famous for copying sounds?
Parrot.
What do you call a doctor who checks teeth?
Dentist.
In which season do leaves fall from trees?
Autumn.
Which shape has 4 equal sides?
Square.
Which vehicle travels underwater?
Submarine.
What is the home of a horse called?
Stable.
What do we call the process of a seed growing into a plant?
Germination.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
How many days are there in a non-leap year?
$365.
Which animal is known for building dams?
Beaver.
What is an 8-sided shape called?
Octagon.
Which is a superhero who wears a red cape?
Superman.
What is the name of the imaginary line that divides Earth into 2 halves?
Equator.
Which word is an article?
The.
What do you call a group of birds?
Flock.
Who makes delicious food in a restaurant?
Chef.
How many lungs does a human have?
Two.
Who was the first president of the United States?
George Washington.
Which bird is often seen in water and has webbed feet?
Duck.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Which bird can fly high in the sky?
Eagle.
How many wings does a butterfly have?
Four.
Which planet is known as the blue planet?
Earth.
What do we call the movement of the Earth around the Sun?
Revolution.
Which object helps us measure time at home?
Clock.
Which is the solid form of water called?
Ice.
Which part of the plant often grows into fruits?
Flower.
Which animal has a shell and moves slowly?
Tortoise.
What is 25 minus 9?
$16.
Which is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Which of the following is a type of nut?
Almond.
What is the plural form of child?
Children.
What is the name of the fairy tale girl who left her glass slipper?
Cinderella.
What instrument has black and white keys?
Piano.
Identify the question word in Where is your school?
Where?
If a pizza is cut into 4 equal parts, what is each part called?
Quarter.
Which instrument has strings that you strum?
Guitar.
Which is a portable computer?
Laptop.
What do we call a word that means the opposite of another word?
Antonym.